Hey foodies, it's me again, you're cute. So today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite Indomie recipe called the noodle blanket, if that makes sense. And for those of you who would swear that this recipe is as spicy as you would imagine, no they're not. Those are blended red bell pepper and not habanero or scotch bonnet. So refrain from leaving comments like, I will be in the toilet for 3 days after eating this. Those kind of comments and food don't go together, they're quite irritating. So please stop that, okay? Thank you. And for those who are interested in making this recipe, I will leave the ingredients in the caption for you, and I hope you do try it out and let me know what you think. But I guarantee you that this is one of the best noodle recipe you would ever try, at least this year. I'm not bragging, I'm just very sure of my recipes, okay? All right. Anyways, I hope you get to try this and let me know what you think. I will be waiting for your feedback. Bye bye, and thank you for always and always supporting me. I love you guys a lot.